Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue arises when working with a C++ Lambda that captures an object by value, which can throw an exception in its copy constructor. This results in clang-tidy displaying a warning, indicating that an exception may be thrown in the Lambda function, which should ideally not happen. The warning specifically shows up when the Lambda is being created, even though the functions in the call chain don't necessarily care about exceptions being thrown. Now, let's talk about the solution provided. The warning is triggered due to the closure type of the Lambda having a throwing move constructor. In the given example, the move constructor of the Lambda is throwing because it internally calls the copy constructor of the my class, which can throw an exception. This behavior is inherent in the closure type of the Lambda, as the move constructor is defaulted, making it defined as throwing in such cases. An important point to note is that one of the purposes of this check is to report throwing move constructors, hence the warning. To summarize, the warning regarding exceptions in Lambda functions arises from the throwing move constructor of the closure type, which in turn calls the copy constructor of my class that could potentially throw an exception. By understanding the intricacies of how closures work in C++, we can navigate around these warnings and ensure smooth operation of our code. With that said, thank you for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a humorous comment below. See you in the next one.